that's how that all went. It's just been a evolving thing. The problem was is we didn't want to go smaller because we'd had to buy a new tractor to go smaller. What we've done is we just took our old tractors that we used to do all the big work with, because we keep getting bigger and equipment keeps getting bigger, and we've just took them and used them for the smaller jobs, because we could take the bigger tractor, or take the old big tractors and use them to, if we had to do some of the other jobs. Now, I'm not pulling, it's not like I've got 120 or 30 horsepower, 40 horsepower tractor running a tedder. I mean, steep you can't even run a tractor on it to bush hog it or do anything. Most of it, what I've seen, they'll just have sides of mountains cleared off, and cows may have it grazing. And I mean, that's all they've got up there is farming. I mean, farming and coal mines. The coal mines, coal business has been pretty tough up there in oil. They have oil and gas. If you ain't farming and doing oil and gas, that's about what everybody does up there. What little farmland there is, people farm it that has been there. And then everybody else has to work for oil and gas. They used to all work for coal mines too. But the coal industry, the way it is, they just had none of it. It's starting to pick back up. But I just feel terrible for them boys up there. That's got to be a hard way to make a living. But I mean, it's all they ever known, so they've adapted to it. They know how to do it to make money, and I'm sure they do pretty good at it. We were only there for one full day. I wish I could have got to. If I'd have been there a little longer, I would have got some footage and stuff of how they do everything. But their tractors that they have are open station. They have to be, from looks of it, the way I looks at things, I'd say it's probably hard to run a cab tractor on their land because it'd be too top heavy. It's just steep. They have open station tractors, about like 60 horsepower tractors, widened out as max wide as you can, and they're low profile. They nearly have, I mean, they have to be. As steep as some of their land is, that you couldn't run a tractor over if it wasn't. But I didn't see any tractors with duals. That's what surprised me. I figured that with as steep as that ground is, and as much as they had their tractors widened out, that they would run duals even on the 60 horse. I'd have duals on that thing, on that, the grade that is. They didn't. It is very beautiful up there, though. That's some pretty country if you like mountains and everything and whatnot. Friendly people. It's the way it used to be here. It's kind of sad. Go up there and everybody waves when they drive by, and they're on four-wheelers, side-by-sides going by, trucks. It's just like it used to be here. As y'all can see, look behind me in this area. I mean, this is what we have to deal with. Interstates, look who's people. Nobody's from here. They've all moved in here for jobs and everything, and it's just it's not like it used to be. Nobody waves. Everybody up there waved nice. Everybody spoke to you. I wish it was like that here still. It's just not. We're just basically a city now. My area is basically just part of Atlanta. It's just it's the outskirts of Atlanta's suburban area, and it's basically just Atlanta. Anyway, that's today's video. Thanks for watching. I didn't get no footage of me working, but this is what I got going on. So, appreciate every one of y'all watching. I'm sorry I haven't got to answer y'all's comments late this past weekend. Videos right now are probably a week behind, but I've just been so busy flying and going from traveling and everything and all the other crap I've had going on. This been a nightmare. I've been working. I worked 2 weeks solid and didn't have any time off at all. Worked pretty late, long days too, and finally got to go out of town for one day. You thought it was the end of